This week I'm testing the new Mitsubishi Triton. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the Mitsubishi Triton dual cab ute, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. And there are top tether anchorages for both of those outer seats too. They are behind the main seat back, so you just pull a tab in the middle, that whole seat back comes forward, and behind there are two top tether anchorages attached to the body of the vehicle. Now, I find them pretty easy to connect to in here, and one of the key things about the Triton is in the central seat back behind the fold down there are two zips which you can pull down and put your hands through to access those top tether anchorages, which are really handy for tightening the top tether straps as well and making a really nice secure fit for your child seats. Now, I have got the Achieve More and the Attain More in the back here installed in Infasecure seats, and they fit really nicely in the outer seats. And I have found that I could put a Infasecure versatile folding booster seat in that central seat because it doesn't require a top tether anchorage, but it does fit nicely. Now, legroom is good in here too. With the rear facing child seats installed, we have found a 182 centimetre passenger could fit in front. And the headroom is really good in the back here too. The Mitsubishi Triton has aircon vents in the ceiling in the back here, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers nice and cool while you're driving along. In the back of the Mitsubishi Triton, the storage is good. There are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In the back of both front seats are mat pockets, so they will hold but not conceal an iPad. And there's a little phone storage in the back of the central console too. The door bins in the back are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's a storage handle wells too. Storage in the front of the Mitsubishi Triton is quite good. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and there's a phone pad in front of the gear lever too. Behind them is a small central console box, and the glove box is a good size. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and thankfully the door bins are bigger in the front. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad and a wallet will fit in there too, and there's the little storage handle wells as well. The tailgate of the Mitsubishi Triton opens really easily and drops down, giving you a nice surface for those emergency nappy changes. It is really heavy though, and so you've got to make sure you've got no kids around at that height, no little ones that are going to get hit in the head with it. Let's find out how much we can fit in the tray of the Mitsubishi Triton. Empty will hold 28 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 15 shopping bags, or a tandem pram and 20 shopping bags, a single pram and 20 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 25 shopping bags, or a few extra large dogs. The Mitsubishi Triton is a nice ute to drive. The steering is quite heavy, and it still doesn't have a digital speedo, which is quite surprising, but this is at the end of its life and there's a new one coming out this year, so I'm presuming that that one will have. Now, visibility is really good in here, and especially sitting up high, you've got great visibility out. The only thing is that that rear camera is milky and small, so it does make it a little bit hard when manoeuvring and parking. The media system in the Mitsubishi Triton is very small and simple, which makes it easy to navigate. It does have Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, that camera image is very small and it is kind of blurry and milky too. You can turn the parking sensors off with the button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Mitsubishi Triton dual cab ute, for those wanting to use it with their family, those back seats are fantastic. You've got a lot of room back there, and that system for accessing the top tether anchorages to install child seats is very good. It doesn't exist in other utes. Legroom is good, and obviously the tray, you can fit whatever size prams or dogs or amount of shopping you need back there, and it's great for family camping trips to get your swags in there. The drive is good and it's comfortable around town as well as off-road. The media system is good and those cameras are good too, although the screen is quite small. I found them really good for visibility and manoeuvring.